Hey Munchkins, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. I'm 17 years old, and this year I'm going to be going to my first year of college, aka my freshman year of college. So before we get started, I would like to apologize for my voice or the way I'm talking and the way I sound. I got my wisdom teeth taken out literally last week. It's now day 7 of my recovery and my face is still a little fluffy. It's easier for me to talk, but I still can't really open my mouth as much, but please bear with me. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what to pack in your girl kit or your emergency kit as a lady. Honestly, these are things that I prefer to keep in my girl kit. I know I will be adding on like my hair roller and like my perfume, but that's for later on when school year starts and like when I'm not touching it every 5 seconds of my day. So let's get started. This is my girl kit. I got this pouch last year. It's lasted me a really good time. Literally looks brand new. It does not look used at all. I got this from Primark. I don't remember how much of anything costs, so excuse that, but this is my pouch. I do have several things in here that I do use. You can definitely go for a smaller pouch with everything that I have in here. I just choose to keep this one because it's the biggest thing, and also it keeps a lot of stuff in case I need to keep other stuff in. Let's see what we have in here. Here's what the inside looks like, and now let's go in depth what I have. In the smaller pocket, I have a boom boom stick. So I'm pretty sure this boom boom stick is from Target. Obviously if I got like a stuffy nose, I want to breathe, I'm shooting this up my nose. I have no shame in it. I hate not being able to breathe, and I also hate being stuffy, so it does help. Next thing I have is from Target. I have baby lips. So my lips get chapped a lot, especially if I lick them, which I have a bad habit of doing whenever it's like winter time, a little bit of summertime. But honestly, if I don't have anything on my lips, this will be what I'll have on my lips to prevent me from licking, and also it does tend to soften my lips up, so that's from Target. Next thing I actually got another one of these during my school supply shopping video, but this is the one I had from last year. Tide pen. It's very convenient. It's helped me out a lot, and I got that from Target. Last thing in this pocket is my Bath & Body Works hand lotion, Into the Night. Into the Night is my signature scent. I kind of wanted to gatekeep it, but at the same time, like, why would I? But yeah, during winter this comes in a lot of handy, even in the fall actually. Yeah, my hands tend to get chapped a lot, so it doesn't crack and start bleeding. This is the way to go. In the bigger pocket, we have Kleenex. So this is a new way I see Kleenex. It's like a little standardized pocket type. You know, you just open it up, and it's really cute. It's very thin. It comes with 10 sheets, I believe. I actually don't know. But this can fit in your wallet as well, so that's convenient. Next thing, pads. I don't use tampons, I do use pads, and I don't know, pads just work better for me. If you want tampons, go ahead and put tampons in. I personally also don't take medication when I'm on my cycle, and if I really have to, it'll be Tylenol, but I'll be taking that at home. Yeah, I have 3 in here for right now, only because I don't want to be carrying around too many, but I refill as I go. I don't know if I said this, but the tissues are from Target, and the pads are either from Sam's Club, Walmart, Target, or Costco. Yeah, I think those are the 4 stores I get my pads from. It doesn't really matter. Next thing is gum. You can get any gum that you want. I got mine from Target. I got it in like a pack of 3, I believe. I wanted to get the container ones, but I have no idea where they went, so I think I have to go to Walmart for those. But I love spearmint, so this gum will come in handy. Then I got this cute little compact mirror from Miniso. If you can't tell, I like pink and Hello Kitty. I love Hello Kitty. So I've had this mirror for I think 2 years now. And oh, you guys can see yourselves. Anyways, so yeah, that is what I have. That's all in my bag pocket. I do plan on keeping my hair roller in here, but that's what I use whenever whenever I'm not filming or whatever, because I do like keeping my hair out of my face so my face clears up, and clearly it has. I just have to get rid of the acne scars, which will go away in its own time. Now let's go with the secret zipper pocket. I got this comb from Target. I got this also during my school supply shopping. I don't know if I added it in the video, but I'm pretty sure I did. But this is the comb that I got. I also got a new pack of hair bands, and I just put some in here because I don't need the whole entire pack. I don't tie my hair up that often when I'm out, but when I do, I tend to like make sure I don't lose this. I do a pretty good job not losing my stuff, but at the same time, you can never be too sure if it rips or anything. And finally, if I have a hairdo up and I need to fix my hairdo, because I caught myself needing bobby pins a lot last year. Bobby pins. And I only have them in here, which is why they're in the zipper pocket so they don't get lost and they're just sitting in here. I also plan to keep my phone charger in here only because I don't want to keep things out in the open in my bag, which is another way I organize my bag. But yeah, so this is my what to pack in your girl kit emergency bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, comment, share, and I will see you munchkins in the next video. Bye guys.